friends, welcome back to my kitchen. My name is Anna and today I have another delicious recipe. We're making some egg bites or some egg muffins. These are absolutely perfect for meal prep. They're perfect if you have a big crowd coming over and you need to make something really quick and really delicious. They stay good in the fridge for about 5-6 days. They're also incredibly versatile, so you can make them with whatever it is that you have on hand. Let me show you how I'm going to make these today, but you can, like I said, you can make them with whatever you want. You need some eggs, half and half, freshly shredded cheese. I'm using some double cream Gouda that's delicious. I also have some uncured, cubed, cooked ham. I'm gonna add a tomato and then tons of fresh chives because chives and eggs go pretty much hand in hand. So this is a great combination. If you don't like to add ham, you can add bacon. The only thing, make sure you cook the bacon prior, again, to adding it to your mixture. You can add peppers, you can add spinach. Sometimes I add spinach. I might include it in the recipe, but I just didn't have any today and I'm not going to use it. But you can add spinach, you can add peppers, you can add mushrooms, you can add onion, you can add garlic. You can pretty much add whatever it is that your heart desires into these. First thing, you want to preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to chop my little tomato because that's pretty much the only prep that we're gonna do. I do like to remove some of the seeds just because I don't want the little egg bites to be overly watery because the seeds can make it watery, so I do like to remove some of the seeds. So I'm just going to dice my tomato pretty finely. Okay, so my tomatoes are good to go. Now let's work on the eggs. Pretty much you just want to beat them. I also have, so you can see what is going on with these eggs. Goodness. I have a muffin tin and I'm going to spray it with a little bit of cooking spray. You can line them with some this little muffin cupcake liners thingy, but I don't really think it's necessary. I think if you grease them pretty well, nothing should stick, but it's up to you. We season with some salt and pepper. I forgot to mention that you needed some salt and pepper, but I feel like you always need salt and pepper. So that's pretty self-explanatory. I'm going to add the half and half, and I'm going to whisk. Okay, this is pretty much mixed in. I'm going to chop my chives just so I can have this ready to go. Like I said, I like a lot of chives in mine. If you don't have chives, you can add green onion. You can add regular onion. Just make sure you do cook. If you're using regular onions, you want to cook them a little bit first, just until they're tender. You want to add the ham to your egg mixture, just like so. We spray each little thing with some avocado oil. I want to make sure that it's nicely greased, again, so nothing really sticks. You can use avocado oil, you can use any type of baking spray or cooking spray you have. I'm going to use a 1/4 cup measuring cup to measure out the amount, but here's what I like to do. I like to add about 2 of the egg mixture, add a little bit of tomato, a little bit of chives, and some cheese. I find that if I do it this way, every little cup has the same amount of everything, if it makes any sense. And then you can just top it off with a tiny bit more cheese. But you can just pretty much add everything to the egg mixture and cook it that way. But I just like it this way better. So egg, tomato, chives, cheese, and repeat. Okay, so we got every last bit of egg out. I'm gonna bake my little egg muffins in the preheated oven for about, I would say 12 to 15 minutes until they are kind of puffy and the cheese is melted and they're cooked through. Once they are done baking, I'll show you what they look like. These little babies just came out of the oven, so all I'm doing now is going around them with a little spatula. That way they don't even think about sticking to the pan. Let me just pick this one right here. This one looks really, oops, and there it goes. I was gonna say it looks really yummy. It still looks really yummy. Look how perfect. They're so fluffy and cheesy. They taste fantastic. Like I said, you can add ham, you can add turkey bacon, regular bacon, breakfast sausage. I hope you guys enjoyed this very simple, easy, delicious recipe. I hope you try it. I hope you make it for your meal prep, or you make it whenever I know, like let's say like Mother's Day, any kind of like holiday that I want to serve a brunch. I just make like 2 batches. I put them on a really pretty plate, and whoever wants eggs, they can have eggs. Whoever doesn't want eggs, they don't need to eat eggs. But I'm telling you, they're kind of like an all-in-one. They're absolutely perfection, delicious. Just little pockets of beautiful eggs. I hope you guys enjoy. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.